Dear students, let's see this question. Two cars P and Q starts from a point at the same time in a straight line and their positions are represented by xp of t and xq of t. At what time do the cars have the same velocity? At what time do the cars have same velocity? And this question is in NEET 2016. Now we'll see how to solve. See, in this question, what is given? Is given that the position of the particle, the position of the two cars here P and Q is given. So the position of the car P and position of the car Q is given, and he's asking that at what time do the cars have same velocity? He's saying that we have to find out the time at which the cars have same velocity. First here we'll consider here xp of t is equal to at plus bt squared, and xp of t is given, xp of t is equal to ft minus t squared, and you know dx by dt gives velocity. So we'll write there dxp by dt, which means velocity of the car P is equal to a plus 2bt, and similarly here velocity of car Q is equal to f minus 2t, and what he's asking? He's asking that at what time do the cars have same velocity? So the cars having same velocity, that is Vp is equal to Vq, which means a plus 2bt is equal to f minus 2t. A plus 2bt is equal to f minus 2t. From this, we have to find out the time. So here minus 2t is there. This one I have brought here. 2bt plus 2t plus a goes this side, f minus a. So here 2t common. So b plus 1, which is equal to f minus a. So here t is equal to f minus a by 2 into b plus 1. T is equal to f minus a upon 2 into b plus 1, and here option D is the correct one. Option D is the correct one. I hope you understood. Thank you.